Today, let me introduce our latest electric glass thermopot. And let me open the package first. The instruction manual inside. Food packing polyfoam to protecting all of the packing. Let me open it. It is our new design electric glass thermopot, and it is with LCD display. The function inside here and the cover. The cover is easy to take out, and the inside is 304 stainless steel material. It's food material you can eat, and it is glass body, and you can see clearly inside of the water. With the stainless steel heating plate and with the temperature sensor inside, which separately supply cord.